Sinabihang hindi naman daw malakas sumuntok si Manny Pacquiao at mas malakas pa daw sumuntok ang kanyang asawa. Ganyan kung ilarawan ng Mexicanong si Jorge Solis ang ating pambansang kamao noong sila'y nagtapat taong 2007 para sa pagdepensa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang titulong WBC International sa Super Featherweight Division. Ganun pa man, tila dream come true para sa Mexicano ang makasagupa si Manny Pacquiao na siyang binansagang The Mexicutioner dahil sa sunod-sunod na mga Mexicanong binaklas nito. At isang karangalan magkaroon ng tsansang maipaghiganti ang kanyang mga kababayang sinampiga ng ating pambansang kamo sa ibabaw ng lona. At tiyak kapag tinalo niya ang isang Manny Pacquiao ay siguradong instant hero siya sa kanyang bansa. Madalas ina-underestimate ang ating pambansang kamao ng kanyang mga katunggali noong siya'y hindi pa nakikilala sa buong mundo bilang kauna-unahang nakagawa na maging kampiyon sa 8 magkakaibang dibisyon. Kaya naman kahit mataas ang respeto nitong si Jorge Solis kay Manny Pacquiao ay tila hindi ito nalakasan sa mga suntok ni Pacman kahit nagumulong-gulong pa ito sa ibabaw ng lona sa mga ataking ginawa ng ating pambansang kamao. Narito at ating balikan ang kanilang naging sagupaan at ating tignan kung hindi nga ba talaga nasaktan sa mga suntok ni Manny Pacquiao etong Mexicano. Ngunit bago natin simulan yan ay kung maaari sana paki-like and share ng ating video at paki-subscribe ng ating channel. Maraming salamat. Sa unang rounds ay tila nahihirapan pa si Manny Pacquiao na makapasok ng mga opensa dahil nga sa tangkad at laki nitong Mexicano. At tila alam din ni Jorge Solis gamitin ang kanyang reach advantage na siyang bahagyang nagpahirap sa ating pambansang kamao.
Pacquiao looking for a chance to attack as he always does.
Yeah, Solis does. He has to be aware. He can't be going in there thinking that he can take the punch from Pacquiao.
Round 1, amateur 4 boxing title, but he's number 1 in WBC, WBO IBF at 130 pounds, and he's generally considered probably the best at that weight class, if not Juan Manuel Marquez in round number 1.
I would like to see Jorge Solis pull that straight right to the body to make him dead. Take some power.
Pacquiao gets it against the ropes. So a pretty close first round.
Sa ikalawang rounds ay pinapanatili para ng Mexicano ang kanyang distansya kay Manny Pacquiao. Ngunit ang ating pambansang kamao ay tila gigil na sa pagbumukha nito na para bang gusto siyang tapusin ng maaga. Pasok ang mga left straight ng ating pambansang kamao na siyang ikinabibigla ng matangkad na Mexicano. At naging hudyat para sa Mexicano na magpalit ng estilo para sa mga atake ni Manny Pacquiao.
I believe
just seconds remaining here in round 2. A better round for Pacquiao. At least the pace of the fight for Solis. There's another straight right hand getting in by Jorge Solis. So featherweight getting in Jorge Solis.
And he just connected a couple good shots right now too.
Effective in this fight, but just hasn't used it enough, and that was the weapon he wanted to use. You know, in his fight against Nicky Benz recently, he averaged 36 jabs per round. According to CompuBox, being Jorge Solis, that's what they want in this fight as well.
Pacquiao's warming to his stance now. He's a little bit more elusive than he was in the first round anyway.
You know, the interesting thing about Manny Pacquiao, he's such an exciting and excellent fighter. He makes a lot of fundamental errors. He squares himself up to opponents, and he is 3-1-1 against the Eric Morales', Juan Manuel Marquez, and Marco Antonio Barrera. Hard for them even to take advantage of it. Certainly Solis would have a hard time doing it.
He's certainly one of those guys you would never tell a young fighter fight like Manny Pacquiao. Definitely don't want to do that. It's like the only guy that can do it.
Fray helps. A minute left to go here in round number 3. Seconds remain in round 3, and again, Solis is an elusive target for...
Dito sa pang-apat na rounds ay paunti-unti nang natitikman ni Jorge Solis ang mga suntok ni Manny Pacquiao. Isang patunay ito na ang kanyang reach advantage ay baliwala sa ating pambansang kamao.
looks like there is a little blood somewhere on Solis's face. Nice shots by Solis. Probably
Barely able to hold on to win the first fight that knocked out in the second fight.
I'm going to say that maybe Juan Manuel might have fought just
Okay.
as good.
yeah, well, he
Only because he got dropped in the first round 3 times. But other than that, he changed his way of fighting and he made Pacquiao look beatable.
Both hitting Pacquiao hard and often, so he's just kicking the shots.
Nice left hand by Pacquiao. May have stunned Solis. We'll see. Another left hand by Pacquiao. That lands.
Very calm, very calm. And all of a sudden, he just shoot up right away. And he's very quick with his hand as well.
Solis has his best moments of the fight as he
Sa pagpasok naman ng ikalimang rounds ay mapapansin natin na tila nabawasan na ang liksi at bilis itong si Jorge Solis katulad ng kanyang ipinakita noong mga unang rounds. At dahil dyan ay mas napapadali ang pagpapatama ni Manny Pacquiao ng kanyang mga kombinasyon sa naturang Mexicano.
So he's trying to throw it straight right to the body, and his elbows kind of slipped it down. That's the reason why the shot went down.
He's a very good fighter, and the fight was stopped in the third round. And Soto, by the way, I released that Soto was fighting Javi Pacquiao, the brother of Manny Pacquiao.
That's a fight I would really like to see Manny against Soto. Soto boxed
Good straight to the right
Here
by
comes Solis with
that.
nice jab by Solis. Paulie pointed out Eric Morales certainly had his success with that.
It doesn't seem though that Pacquiao has some
Just seconds remaining here in round 5. This has been a pretty good round for Jorge Solis. That's the understatement. Though he's probably still behind this fight, he's making some things happen against Manny Pacquiao.
Dito sa sumunod na rounds, nagsabay silang umatake at hindi sinasadyang sila'y magkaumpugan na siyang naging dahilan ng pagdurugo ng kilay ni Manny Pacquiao at isa itong target para sa Mexicano.
You know, you hate to say that this did have an impact, this didn't have an impact.
Creates that cut.
Dahil sa naging cut sa kilay ni Manny Pacquiao ay lalong nag-init ng ating pambansang kamao at inatake si Jorge Solis. Tinamaan ito ng isang uppercut na siyang naging dahilan ng pagtumba nito. Ngunit ang kagulat-gulat ay hindi ito binilangan ng referee.
That doesn't mean they good straight right.
It would. Oh, there's a left hand that sends Solis down.
No, it's a push. And this is what I expected to see. Solis right here trying to avoid, trying to get away from punches and getting hurt because he doesn't pick up his hands.
See the ball inside. Towards his right hand. That's what it is.
Two left hands hurt Solis' weapon, and it's working now.
So Solis needs to pick up that guard. He tweaks him to the right because he was so athletic. I'm surprised that happened.
Manny Pacquiao has had himself an excellent 7th round. Lands yet another short left hand.
Dahil sa nangyari ay mas lalong nag-init ng ating pambansang kamao na siyang naging dahilan na ang Mexicano ay mapunta sa isang alanganin na sitwasyon.
They could both the family.
He's in trouble and down goes Solis.
Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ng tampok natin ngayon, paki-like and share. Mag-iwan ka na rin ng comments para sa iyong saloobin. At kung bago pa lamang dito ay paki-subscribe at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell button para updated ka sa mga umaatikabong videos tulad nito.